So that means I'm the assistant.
Okay. Okay, hello everyone. Today we gotta do some business, okay? We gotta really do business, okay? Okay? Alright, so this is our business plans, and we get money, okay? We gotta get money, okay? That's our job. That's our goal, okay? That's our goal. Any questions before I move on?
No. Yeah, that's
Yes.
pretty good plan. We gotta write it
How
down.
are we gonna get money?
You will see.
Money.
Okay, look, we gotta make some really good business, okay? We gotta offer something. We get more money by doing stuff on social media, okay? We need to get more tips. We need to get some more stuff out there, okay?
Okay, that sounds good.
Sit the fuck down, Ash. Okay, put that gun away. Any questions before I go on?
No, I don't.
Okay.
No. Not really what I have.
Okay, so once it goes down, it's not good at all. We need to get higher. We need to get higher and higher. If we go down, then it's just gonna make it more bad, okay?
It's gonna make us more hard to get money.
If we go up, that means very good, okay? We gotta go very good.
Very good.
And we have to do lots of work so we can get money, okay? We need a lot of money so we can get a lot of work, okay? Any more questions?
No,
Wait, hold up.
it's pretty simple.
Grabbing something so I can type.
Damn it.
Here, sorry, I gotta type this stuff down.
We
Hold on.
need new... who wrote that? Who wrote this really cricket? Whatever.
What?
We need
New product.
New produced product. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
I'm getting it down.
Agent Kermit. Anyways,
Alright, got it
we
down.
need more product.
I'm
I'm
just making
Agent Bird, by the way. I'm Agent Bird.
So
Okay, what?
we need to do more stuff so we can get more product. Or whatever you say. Next, and we need new rules, okay? We need new rules, okay?
Okay.
We need a lot of new rules.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
No, I'm still writing this down.
Basically, we need to make more money. We gotta negotiate more business. We gotta go high.
Now,
And
a bit about myself, okay?
Wait, what?
We're gonna talk about myself.
okay, I guess.
Alright.
Wait, a
Do
bit
I write
about
this
yourself.
down
Hold
too?
up,
Do I write this down too?
Sorry, I'm standing up. Sorry.
I have bad drift, so yeah. Hold up. Bear with me.
Bear with me, sir.
God damn it. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Today we're gonna be watching a little video, okay?
Okay.
I don't know how to.
Sorry, I'm just getting. I'm just getting all the business.
I don't know how to put a
I
video,
found-
okay? I'm done.
Oh, okay. Well,
I just put work.
wait, so what are we
Oh,
gonna...
I'm just typing.
Wait, so what is our assignment since this is like what are our assignments for today? Since this is like a spy place. So
Alright, here's the thing. We need more money. That's our goal, okay?
okay.
That's our big goal. If we get more money, we get more stuff
More money.
as we work, okay?
More
Any questions?
stuff.
Wait.
Yes.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go. Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm Agent Bird. Yeah. Are you gonna give us our assignments out, like the place we gotta go? Cause we're like agents.
Oh
spies.
yes. Hold on.
Yeah,
Let me get your
spies.
papers.
I'm still. Is
Okay,
he
partner.
jerking
Well,
off in the bathroom?
Come here, guys. Calm
Okay,
down.
okay, partner. Well, let's see what.
Sorry, I was
today
just
we gotta
typing.
do in our spy work.
I was typing on my actual keyboard. Sorry.
Okay, come on.
We're gonna be working. Everyone, sit down by a computer. We're gonna be working.
Oh,
Go by a computer and sit.
More work.
No. Yes, work. We have to do work. No talking. I gotta go.
Yeah, I'm not good.
Yeah,
Not good in offices. Hey, when are we getting out? What is our mission?
We work until our fingers can't break.
That's our mission, but I thought we were gonna go on a cool.
all day until nighttime, okay?
What? But like, hold up. I need decision. Hey, boss. Boss.
Yeah.
Yeah. So wait, aren't we gonna? So if we need more money, aren't we gonna go like? We're like a secret spot facility. So like, aren't we gonna go somewhere to get more money? Like, I don't know. Get it?
Yeah, but I would, but we gotta work, okay? We gotta work.
No.
You want pizza?
Oh, pizza.
It's your break time. It's your break time, Kermit. It's your break time.
Okay. Well,
I'm just gonna keep clicking spacebar and he won't.
Hey, no bad. Hey, yo, boss, look at this new project I'm working on.
Did you actually write that?
Yeah.
I'm not made
Wait,
to
what?
be working on the computers.
Let me see.
I'm supposed to be out there.
Alright, your break time's over.
Okay.
Ash, it's your break time. Ash, it's your break
I
time.
gotta
Break time!
check my
Fuck yeah!
book.
Hold up. I can't grab us.
I can't do this.
I can't grab a slice either. This is the last slice. Wait, your break time's over.
Wait.
Yeah, I'll just copy this guy's work.
Sit down now. Fizzarelli? Break time. Here.
Hi.
No, take a break.
Don't tell him I'm on my phone. There was up.
What did you say?
Sorry, I'll just get to work. Grab my keyboard again. Where are you?
I'm gonna put my Egg McMuffin in this computer. That's
That's gonna make business go so high. It's over 9,000.
Okay.
No, what happened to my computer? What happened to my stuff? What happened to my big cock? Done. What? I'm big cock.
Ash.
Alright, guys. Your shift is over. You guys can go home.
Yes!
Oh, okay.
Yes! Thank Lord!
Have a great
Yes.
day, guys.
Bye.
Yes! Lord! Sweet name. Now I get to go watch TikToks and
Work is back. Come on, everyone. Work is back.
Wait, what?
what?
Agent Bird. Hold up, Agent Ash, come on. Well, okay, so I have. Come down here. Come down. Oh,
This is my
hi,
desk,
boss.
sorry.
We're just.
What were you doing?
I can't
We're talking.
You're not supposed to be over here.
Oh, I'll go back. I'll go back.
I locked the door so you guys can escape.
Okay, we're not gonna escape. Okay, I got an idea to escape. Okay, basically, so we haven't gotten.
Big as me, let it be.
Hold up, we're just talking about something.
We're talking about something, boy stuff. Wait, you are a boy. Okay, whatever. Basically,
We're all boys.
we shut up. We he's kind
Except for him, he's special.
Yeah, he's mature. Anyway,
Damn,
yeah,
stop,
basically-
You're correct.
Even though we work at a spy's place, he never sends us out anywhere. How about you? How about you and me and, well, I guess him, go out on a mission? Hi.
I have the bird.
Hi,
I have the
boss.
bird
Okay,
flu. I
Gotta
gotta.
hurry up.
Let's go work.
Hey, boss,
Let's
I've
go to
got the bird
work.
flu. I kind of gotta go.
No, you have to stay no matter what.
What? That's bold.
Okay, go. Okay.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, boss. What is he doing? Is he just gone? Hold up. This is gun I'm holding, right?
Huh?
Hey, look
Let me-
what can I do with this funny gun?
Go home. It's okay. Go home.
Hey, oh boss, look! I got a funny gun. Look,
Kermit, this is some BS.
Hold up,
The
hold up,
secretary that just started
Wait,
gets
wait.
to leave, and we
Why
don't.
does this say? Why does it say terror to reality? Is this like a
Kermit.
special thing to get out of here?
Agent Bird, this is some BS. He let the secretary that just started doing work here leave early, and we have to stay here.
Yeah.
It's some BS.
Oh yeah, Kermit, I forgot to tell you. You get to go home too.
Yes.
Have a good day. No, you. You get to go home too.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Come here.
We're doing work.
What? What?
Oh my god.
Hold up. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Come with me.
Now I have to go out somewhere, so don't do anything bad.
Okay. I got an idea. Okay.
Yeah, what do you...
I found these scissors that tear into a rift into reality. If we tear a rift, maybe we can actually go home, okay? Or not go home. Maybe we can actually go on a mission, okay?
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
So, how about partners? Partners?
Ding dong, 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 ding dong.
Ah, damn. How does these scissors work out?
Hello.
You guys are fired.
What?
I heard everything you guys said. I had security
He said
cameras
it, he didn't-
everywhere.
No, he said it. He said partners, and I said no, and I slapped his hand.
Partner, you're fired.
Huh? What did I do? It's not like I'm using
Leave
these
right now.
scissors.
Go.
Wait,
Go
give
now.
me a chance.
Go.
Give me a chance.
Fine.
Give me a chance.
No, you started trying to leave. I have security
No, I
cameras
don't want to
everywhere.
leave. I just want
leave.
to
Leave.
Can't we be one of the? Hey, I know you have your agents that go out, but can you please move us to agents? Like,
You are an agent.
I mean, like, the type of spies that go out. This is a spy company, and
Oh, I see what you mean. But you guys are not ready to be agents yet. I need to teach you guys more.
I'm a black suit. Like, I need you.
But yeah, that's only for
more years
boss.
for one. Like, yeah, well, like, you only need a few more years for the
You
hat,
started
I
like 5 weeks ago.
No, you started 5 weeks ago.
What do you mean?
I've been here for
like 3 years?
I've been here for 6 years.
If you've been here for 6 years, you'd be higher ranked than me, and I'm a higher ranked than you.
What? No, you're not.
How old
I'm
are you?
literally higher than you. I'm literally higher.
I'm the second highest rank. Secretary.
Yeah, I'm on the. I'm on. No,
I'm
you're on the
basically your
third.
bodyguard.
You're like
Hold
your
on, hold on.
high.
Everyone shut up.
You're
Everyone
high.
shut up.
You're
Okay,
high
look.
bodyguard.
I think you guys are not ready to be spies yet, okay? Like, go out there and spy, okay?
No,
guys
I'm
are not
your
ready,
No,
okay?
I'm your secretary. I lead you
Yeah.
like through stuff so you don't get killed. Not like go out.
Or, look. Like, grab that hat off you.
¿Qué?
Look, you can't be my helper.
Pero, ¿qué pasó?
Fine, I'm gonna
Okay. Okay.
work at my circuit
Okay,
again.
boy. Okay, boy.
I'm going to work at my circuit again.
Okay, well.
Go what?
Anyways, Kermit. Here's your last steps to be a spy, and then you're good to go out and spy. Number 1, business.
Business.
Hey man, I came to apply for a job here. This is birds only.
This is like a bird.
Didn't you read the sign? Didn't you read the sign? It says
Yeah,
birds
that's what
only.
We don't really get much jobs. This is like a specific job for us.
my feathers.
What?
My feathers got plucked off. I wasn't born with feathers, actually.
You're ready.
Okay.
Go out there and
Okay.
spy.
Wait a minute. I need a partner just in case.
Can I go with him?
You fail?
Big
I'm just saying, just in case.
Hey, you.
Yeah.
Go with this guy.
Wait, what?
Okay.
Wait, can I have like an actual agent that's been here for a long time, like
No, you get paid.
Agent Ash?
He left.
Oh,
Now,
No, I
good
think
luck.
You came out saying you got fired.
oh. What? Okay, well, whatever.
Bye.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Off we go, I guess.
Sir, I'm pretty fat.